Hello and welcome to the Mechanical Engineering course. In this part we will have a general overview of what is mechanical design or machine design and what are the materials that we will cover. For the first part of the course you will have a general yet a basic concept in design. You will be introduced to phases of design processes and factors to be considered. In the second part, it is important to review material properties in design such as strength, coefficient of thermal expansion, and so on. Knowing the different types of material and their properties will help you to formulate the performance index, and therefore you can use different charts like HP plots to make an appropriate selection of a certain material. Material selection and properties would help better understand what is going inside the mechanical component and its behavior. That's why we need to have a quick review about the external loadings and how they affect the machine component across its geometry from outside and inside at different sections. It's assumed that you should have a basic knowledge on topics acquired from statics and solid mechanics or mechanics of material. On the fourth part, we need to understand why mechanical components fail and how to design them to prevent failure. Failure could result from static loading applications, and we will analyze such cases and scenarios by applying well-known theorems like von Mises theorem. And we could have a fatigue failure based on dynamic loadings, which is called fatigue. On the last part, we will apply all the concepts we have learned in the course on certain mechanical components, for example, nuts, rivets, and weld joints, springs, flywheels, and so on. And you will have the chance to apply different standards and codes and regulations implemented by specialized associations. For instance, let's say AISI, the American Iron and Steel Institute. So in this module, we discussed the different subjects that we will cover throughout this course. See you.